Welcome back to Kegon's Kitchen. Today we'll be making a nice juicy barbecue ribs. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we make a new video.
Alright guys, so we're just going to add some mustard. This mustard will act as a sealant, once we add the spices and herbs and stuff like that. It's going to help marinate, our ribs much faster. Oh yes, apply that mustard. And right now we're using, let's see here. What's the name of that, of this mustard?
Sweet and hot.
So it's a sweet and hot mustard. So after we finish add in the sweet and hot mustard, then we'll start to add our dry rub and make sure everything is nice, seasoned, tenderized, and all that good stuff. All right, so the first thing that we're applying right now is our salt and all-purpose seasoning. This is a nice little homemade dry rub that we made. I'll definitely have the all of the ingredients and instructions in the description of this video. Right here I have some sazon and paprika mixed together. And you want to do the same step. Apply your seasoning, your dry rub to your meat. Alright guys, so right now I'm just applying some brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar at home, that's perfectly fine. You could always use the refined granulated white sugar. Alright. This brown sugar right here is going to add that extra sweetness, that nice little dark brown crust. Guys, so we're gonna add our 2 slabs of ribs to the foil paper, and basically wrapping your ribs in a foil will help them tenderize, and will keep your ribs from basically over smoking actually. All right, so guys, once again, wrapping your ribs in the foil paper right here, this will allow your ribs to be tenderized at a much faster pace, and it will definitely, keep them from over smoking. But we're gonna start off by adding our ribs to the oven real quick. We're gonna bake it at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll transfer it outside to the charcoal grill. The charcoal grill outside is gonna give it that nice, smoky, juicy flavor. You know what I mean? So you definitely want to add that charcoal flavor. Alright guys, so we pretty much baked the ribs for 1 hour in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After 1 hour, you want to remove it from the oven, toss it on the grill. And we're gonna basically keep flipping, both slabs every 15 minutes. All right guys, so you're basically gonna cook, you wanna grill your ribs for at least 15 minutes on each side for at least 1 hour. All right, so every 15 minutes, flip it over, boom, 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 Should be good until it's nice, juicy, and tender. Close it down, baby. Ooh. All right, guys, so it's about time. This is gonna be the first flip. It's been slowly grilling for the past 10 minutes. I know I mentioned 15 minutes earlier, but once you know what you're doing, you don't really have to go by time. You just look, you know, based on the color. So we're gonna flip it over. All right, guys, as you can see, I just gave it a nice little flip, and we're gonna let it cook for 15 more minutes before we flip it again. Add some sauce, put it back in that foil paper, and then let it slow cook.
Just gonna add 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. And now I'm gonna add the whole thing of this sweet cream barbecue sauce. You can add a little water and shake it up to get the rest of the sauce out.
And we're just gonna add some extra brown sugar.
Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar.
1, 2. And then we're just gonna mix it up together. All right, so just mix it up real quick. And this is what we're gonna apply to the ribs. We're gonna brush like this nice, delicious sauce on both of the ribs that we have outside. All right, looking good. Everything's looking good so far. All right, guys, so just let's head on outside and get this ball rolling.
We're gonna check our ribs and then we're gonna start applying our sauce.
Looking good, baby, looking good. Time to start applying our barbecue sauce, guys. Check this out.
It's gonna taste real good.
Really good. It's gonna taste good, guys. So you just wanna apply the sauce with a brush.
Oh,
If you don't have a brush, guys, you could always just pour the sauce on like this. All right. Ooh, baby. All right. So no need to worry. No need to worry if you don't have a brush at home. Just use a spoon, a bucket, or whatever you have. Improvise, you know. Looking so good right now.
Oh, just look at that.
Ooh, baby. Baby back ribs. Ooh. Ooh. We're gonna close it back down real quick and let it cook. All right, guys, so we're about to do this last flip. And once again, we're just gonna apply our barbecue sauce. Okay. How is it looking, Kelly?
It's looking real nice.
Looking good?
Yep.
Yeah. This is it.
It looks so nice.